Hi, today I'm going to show you my survival kit, which consists of 3 layers. The 3 layers are my clothes and all the pockets, the vest and my backpack.
The most important things that should be in your clothes pockets are a strong knife that has a metal part over the entire length of the knife, at least half a liter of water, and gloves are also needed. You also need some flammable tablets for igniting fire, and the next thing is a metal fire igniter. Also some makeup cotton pads, which make it very easy to light a fire, a little bit of dry firewood, some pliers and paper clips. A strong thin rope can be useful for building a shelter, tying things and other things. A medical box with basic equipment will come in handy if you get hurt. Thread and needle, they will be very useful if your clothes are torn. It's also useful to have a notebook and pen in case you need to write something. There's also a set with a mirror, compass, and magnifying glass, which can be used to light a fire on a sunny day during the summer. The second layer is a vest with pockets or a small backpack. Universal tool with a shovel, axe, and spud. It also has a knife and a whistle. Next, you need a metal cup for boiling water, a small stove, a sharpener with which you can sharpen an axe or a knife. A flashlight will be very useful in the dark. By adding water to this bag, you can heat the food or warm yourself with it if you are cold. A piece of fabric, a plastic bag. Hygiene products, which include toilet paper, soap, and wet wipes. Additional medical supplies and supplies against ticks and mosquitoes. An important item is a strong adhesive tape that can even be used to glue a torn shoe. Some food, for example, various nuts with raisins, chocolate, and more. You could also use some salt because you lose a lot of minerals when you sweat, so it is necessary to restore them. You also need some additional supplies to ignite a fire, like windproof firelighter, spirit tablets, dry firewood, and a candle. Next are items that are included in the big backpack. Waterproof tent 2 meters on 3 meters, waterproof mat, sleeping bag, spare shoes, t-shirts, underwear, and socks. A large axe or a smaller axe with an assembled saw, additional ropes and insulation, bottle backpack and plastic water bottle, additional fire igniting supplies, dry firewood, a fire lighter, a candle, fire igniting tablets, and paper, and a bottle of flammable liquid. Plastic bags, cooking pots, a spoon, fork, and knife set, another heating pack. Also, you need to have some food, which will last you for at least a day. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe.